Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I will be reviewing the Tall Elephant Journal Cum Planner for the year 2022. To give you guys a small background, I began to use a planner in the year 2021. I used this planner by Sansha Mohla. This was a very minimalistic planner, and as a beginner, I found this to be sufficient. But as I began to use the planner, I became more organized and more mindful of my actions and my habits. So, after a few months, I realized that I would need and I would benefit greatly from a planner with more spreads. So, for the next year, the year 2022, I decided to go for the little black box. The Little Black Box is a premium curated journaling kit for the best journaling experience. I love the analogy from which the product derives its name. Those who are familiar with the aircraft know that the black box in an aircraft is a recording device that records all the minute information of the aircraft during its journey. Similarly, this black box is meant to record our journey in the year 2022 in becoming the best version of ourselves. So let's get into it. Inside the little black box, we have a thank you note from the Tall Elephant team. We have two notebooks. We have the main book, which is the Journal Cum Planner of 2022. We have the travel journal, we have the self reflection journal, we have the desk calendar, we have a bunch of postcards, we have the Universe Speaks to You cards, and last but not the least, we have the sticker book. Now, I will dive into each of them in detail. So, this is the Tall Elephant Journal Cum Planner for the year 2022. This is the front cover and this is the back cover. So, in the front, we have the year written in gold foil. We have this elegant piece of art. The journal is hardbound. And this is the back cover, and we have the Tall Elephant logo at the back. The pages are made up of 110 GSM ink bleed resistant paper. Inside, at the beginning, we have the painting of this butterfly, which kind of reminds me about transformation, and we have the space for personal details. Next, the creator of this journal has written a letter on behalf of the universe. This letter is so motivating and I absolutely loved reading it. On the right hand side, we can write some positive words to define ourselves. I love that it says I am all of these, yet I am not bound by any of these. We are not bound by our labels. We are larger than our labels. The next section is all about self-love. Here we can jot down all the points that we love about ourselves. The next section is about 2021 recap. Over here we have the 2022 calendar with space provided to jot down the important dates, events or appointments. Next page we have the 2023 calendar. And on the right hand side, we begin the year 2022 with the quote, "The best time for new beginnings is now." The vision board page, which has been categorized as self, personal life, and professional life. Next, the goal setting page. We can write down our goals related to personal development, health and fitness, finances, career, fun and recreation, environment, spiritual, giving and contributing, family and friends, and other relationships. For the next 2 pages, it's time to get creative with the mind map. Next, we have the bucket list section. Here, you can write down all that you wish to accomplish in terms of learning, traveling, and experiences related to life, love, etc. I just love how colorful this journal is and how catchy the illustrations are. Next page, you can write down all of your plans, visualizations, and experiences related to travel. Next, we have the bookshelf where you can write down the name of the book and rate the book once you have completed reading it. Next section is the memory lane where you can jot down the memories that you want to keep for that particular month. Time for some entertainment. Keep a track of all of your favorite movies and TV series for the year. Next, we have a dedicated section to express gratitude for the people who impacted your life, including strangers. Here, we can write down all the moments that made us proud in 2022. Next, we have 2 blank pages to create the spread of our choice. Track your investments, your bills, your social media following, your subscriptions, anything that you want to track for the year in yearly tracker section. Next, we have a mood tracker where you can color code your moods and you can track how you felt every single day. It also has a small section for notes. From here starts the monthly spread. We have blank page on the left hand side for you to jot down quotes or notes or doodle that will fuel you for that month. Let me give you a quick view of the illustrations of all months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Next, we move on to the calendar view of the month where you can note down important dates, appointments, and important events. Next, we have the daily spread where you can write down your daily to-do list. You can also use this space for journaling. I love how the illustrations are provided at the center of the page because that provides ample space to write down in the blank section. And also notice how all the floral illustrations are different from each other. At the end of the page, there is also a section for important notes. Here we have the brain dump page where you can sort out your thoughts when you are overwhelmed or confused. Next, we have the monthly goal tracking section. Notice how all the category of goals provided are the same as in the yearly goals section. This helps you to keep the track of accomplishment of each of those goals every month. Next, we have this fun-filled section of the happiness jar where you can jot down all the little things that made you happy in that month. Next, we have a section dedicated to mental health, which is the emotional wellness section. Here, you can track your emotions of the day. We also have a gratitude section to write down what we are grateful for every single day. Next, we have this colorful habit tracker page where you can track a lot of habits. On the top of the page is a quote that reminds you that even the smallest change makes a difference. Next, a whole page dedicated to fitness. You can also use this section to track your periods, your water intake, running, the various exercises that you do. I would definitely use this page to keep a track of my music practice sessions and my meditations, etc. Next, we have the meal tracker section. This is very useful if someone is on a diet. We can also get an idea about how healthy we generally eat in a month, week, or a day by using this tracker. We now come to the finance tracker where you can track your income and expenses. There is also a space provided for your financial manifestations. Next, we have two blank pages to create the spread of our choice. Next, we have the recap section where prompts have been provided for monthly reflection. This is the last page of the January spread, and we now go to February spread. At the end of the monthly spreads, there's a section where you can jot down the reasons you're thankful for the year 2022. This is the shopping list, and the best thing about this page is that it is perforated, and once you make the shopping list, you can tear the page and carry it with you. Behind each section of the list, you have inspiring quotes. There are a couple of these. Lastly, we have some notes section. I forgot to mention that the journal has 2 satin ribbon bookmarks. So that is it about the journal. Now we come to the other goodies, and this is a desk calendar. This is the sticker book with 1000+ stickers, and what I love about this is that you have a lot of stickers with emphasis on Indian culture. Every Desi girl who loves stickers must have this. Next, we have this travel journal. This is the section for personal details. Here you can write down where you're traveling to. You can also jot down the things to do. Here you can write down the things that you have to pack and anything else to be noted down. Here we have the meal tracker, the activity tracker, emotions tracker, gratitude list with dates and place to be mentioned. You can also note down the travel expenses, and you have a section for summary and memories. This is a perfect mini journal you can carry with you when you travel. Also, the travel journal is smaller in size and handy and easy to carry. It has got everything that you need from the main journal. Hence, it's not necessary to carry the main journal when you travel. You can jot down the points in your travel journal, and you can later enter the same in your main journal once you return from your travels. Next, we have this self-reflection journal with 50+ questions where you can answer one question every week to reflect and be grateful for the little things in life. Here you have a set of postcards that you can gift to the people you love. Next, we have the Universe Speaks to You cards. You can pick a card for yourself when you want to feel motivated and inspired. Each of these cards have a unique, inspiring message for you. You can also pick a card every morning when you wake up for some morning inspiration, or during bedtime, or as and when you feel like. You can also use these cards as bookmarks. Next, you have two notebooks. One of the notebooks is a plain notebook and the another one is a dot grid notebook. You can use these notebooks for journaling purposes or for writing affirmations or for anything else that you would like to. That's it about the little black box and its contents. The entire kit is priced at 3,499 rupees, but right now it is available for 2,499 rupees. If you do not want the entire kit, you can choose certain combos from these goodies for lower price, all of which are available on their website, thetallelephant.com. I will put up the link in the description below. Now I would like to come to the pros and cons. Pros, it is all in one kit. It has got all the spreads that you need. Even if something is missing, like I saw someone comment that they could have added the password tracker in one of the videos that I saw. Remember that there are blank pages provided where you can make your own spread, which will help you to track anything like the passwords, etc. The journal is so colorful and so attractive. Oh my god. And it has lot of matter inside which is like mind blogging, like the happiness jar, the self reflection journal and all those stuff. And I'm sure everybody is going to enjoy using this journal. Coming to the cons, I really don't see any cons as such, but I did see some people comment that the journal is a bit pricey. But guys, if you consider all the spreads and all the thought process that has gone into making this journal, I feel it's worth it. A journal is something that you would use for the entire year, and I would highly recommend that you must invest in the best journal available. Also, we don't think twice when we are investing in something that does not serve us. Think of all the times you invested in junk food. Think of how many times you did it. Think of all the times you invested your time and money watching some mindless TV shows and movies that left you feeling negative at the end of the day. Instead, I honestly feel you should not think twice about investing in something that will help you become more of a positive and better person. I have known the positive effects of journaling. I have known the positive effects of planning, of tracking my habits, and how it has changed me. And those who know the benefits of a good journaling practice will not think twice about investing in a good journal. This is my take on the Tall Elephant Journal. Thanks for watching, guys. Namaste.